In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how you can hide your active status on Instagram. You can simply hide being active now on Instagram in just few simple steps. To do this, simply open up your Instagram account. On my profile page, tap on the three lines on your upper right corner of the screen. Head into your settings. On this page, select the fourth option of privacy. Right here you will have to scroll onto the option of activity status. Disable this option off. If you choose to hide your active status, you won't be able to also see other people's active status as well. You can customize and hide being active now only accounts that you follow. That's how easy it is to hide being active now on Instagram. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.